Everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add any item to the dock on your Mac. To do this, you just need to go to application that you want to add to the dock. Of course, if the application you didn't open it yet, you just need to open it, so it will appear here where these three icons are available. And after that, for example, I want to add the Microsoft Outlook to the dock, so I go and right click on it. After that, go and put your mouse on options and click on keep in dock. And as you can see, the Microsoft Outlook is added to your dock. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also to click on the like button, and see you in the next one.